Good morning, good afternoon. This is Dominic Brigins, Global Head of Proprietary Trading at Brigins Trading AG, Gibraltar. This video that I'm about to play is a custom algo trade that I designed to take 100K of equity out of the market in less than 15 minutes. As you know, about 75 or 80% of all trades are algorithmic trades. With that said, to trade effectively, one must have custom algos created in order to be effective consistently. So I'm going to roll this. And the market, when it opened up, of course, I would like to say I'm going to call them quantum. I'm not going to say the Federal Reserve because it's an invisible hand that's able to move these markets at will. But I'm just going to say quantum. They basically were able to liquidate, all of their positions out of the market. It's a lot of turmoil in the market over in Europe right now. They don't know, whether or not Greece is going to stay in the Eurozone. And I guess they would do it on the weekend. They would create a central bank and a new currency and do everything over the weekend. So I look for Federal Reserve and quantum to liquidate week after week, and that's the reason why you're going to see this type of trend. I don't know if you can see my cursor. You're going to see this narrow range of trading, but without being able to customize your trading strategy and basically have an algo to launch into the market is going to be very difficult in order to extract equity out in these type of markets. Most of the front end brokerage firms, they just basically want you to set up an account or whatever, but you got to get to a proprietary level where you have proprietary algos. But as you can see, you can look at my level 2. The market, it came right down to around, what is that, 1317, 1318 would have been a better, 1318.50 would have been a better place to get in the market, but there wasn't enough shares out there at that time. So 2000 was the best. Well, 13197 was the best that I could split those orders. That's the reason why I split them in half. I actually should have split them 4 times, but I didn't. But the market is slowly but surely working, and this is the current market profile over to the right that's developing. As we are into trading, the first 5 to 10 minutes of trading. But as you can see, we're on a bid, and my first 7 contracts are about to get taken out. I'm currently up by 50 grand right there. So now the rest of my contracts, 1,000 contracts, are already gone, and now I have 500 more left on that algo. And bringing up my watch list. Waiting on that 500 to get taken out of there. We had good support. I mean, we didn't even come near that 1650 where the overnight session had already tested. So I guess, let's see, we came down in the overnight 1, 2, 3 times down there. So now just waiting on the next 500. 118,000. Like I said before, 75 to 80% of all of these transactions are done this way. Everything is already pre-programmed in an algo. There's absolutely no way that you would be able to do this by hand. And market's forming a balance. I'm going through a little brief consolidation. Money is coming out of the dollar over into ES because we were catching a bid. Market's moving up. Floor traders, the CME, going long. So my net position was 500, and what I did was that was a self-managed position, so I just flattened out of it. So I could have let it run to 1325.50, but I didn't, and I just flattened out. And as you can see, that's 147,900 when we were negative 100 ticks off from our open. So that's just an example of a custom algo trade. It's called Kill Switch. That's all designed by Brigands Trading Systems AG, a subsidiary of Brigands Trading AG, a proprietary global trading firm. Thank you for watching.